everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open an Omegle account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're looking for a new way to make friends online, then you've landed in the right place. Omegle is a free anonymous video chat site that randomly connects you to new people you can chat with based on shared interests. First, open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, all you need to do is to type www.omegle.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official site of Omegle. Getting started with Omegle is quite easy. All you need for basic is an internet connection and of course type in omegle.com into the web address bar and you'll be right in. There's no need to open an account for Omegle. But before you begin using Omegle, make sure that you are over 13 years old. You will not spread obscene material or use Omegle to harass other users, and you will not behave in any way that is illegal. Once you are ready to use Omegle, all you need to do is go and add your interest in the text box and select whether you want to start chatting with random strangers via text or make a video call. Picking the text option lets you chat with a stranger via text, while the video will allow the stranger to see your images and hear your voices. Select your preference and give it a click to start chatting. That is how you can easily start off with Omegle.com. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.